Now today we'll be replacing this exterior lamp. Now it is censored. Unfortunately it just isn't working anymore. It's all cracked up. So I'll show on how to remove the old one, disconnect the wiring, put the new one in, and we'll be in good shape. The first thing I'm going to do is turn off the electricity going to that light. Now to begin, the faceplate is being held on by, there's a screw right here. There's another one right here. And then we'll be able to pull the light away from the house. Okay. Now I'm just going to remove these wire ties. Okay. Okay, so now we're just removing the plate, or the old mounting plate that was here from the old light. Okay. Now this comes from, I believe it was lampsplus.com. I did check Amazon, but in my case, I couldn't really find a censored light on Amazon that was white. A lot of black, dark ones, but not white. And as you can see with my sighting, black just doesn't work. And just to get this out of the bag here, out of the box. So we have the lamp out of the box, some hardware that the kit came with, but the first step is same as the old lamp. Remove these decorative nuts. Okay. Should pop out, there we go. So we have everything cleaned up. I have all my hardware ready to go. This is the mounting plate. This is what we removed from the end of the light fixture. So this mounting plate is what will attach to the house first. Once this is, in this case, screwed down, the lamp will be attached directly to this. So here's my mounting plate. Just want to mark off where I'll be inserting the So I'm just going to drill, this is 3/32 of an inch. So I'm just going to insert the first one before I drill a hole for the bottom one. I just want to make sure my marking points are right on. So just tighten down the two screws here. We'll do the wiring and we'll give it a test run. Okay. Now simply what you're doing is you're just matching up the colors. So white goes to white, black goes to black, ground goes to ground. Now you could also pigtail this. In other words, you could take this ground, attach it to this, and then attach another wire directly to this green screw. I don't have a pigtail, but after I film this, I'm going just to purchase one. So that's really the correct way to do it according to the instructions. But in the meantime, this will also be perfectly fine. Now if you can have someone help you hold the fixture as you do this, it will help. I don't, but just take your time and you'll be okay. So you twist the wires together. They include these wire covers. Okay. So I have all the wiring nice and secure. I'm just going to place it inside the junction box. I have to swivel this so I can see it. I'm just placing everything inside the box here. Take your time. And then we'll test it out very quickly. This happens to take a maximum of 60 watts. I don't think it can be used with LEDs, an LED bulb, but nonetheless we'll be okay. I'm going to turn the power back on and we'll give it a test shot. Okay, so now we're just going to quickly test it. There we go. Let's make sure it shuts off. And then on the side here, as you can see, I have some adjustability, but we're in good shape. So I'm just going to choose the settings that I want, and this should give you a pretty good idea on how to install one of these.